Hi, I am Shima Keshi, online business consultant who works 100% from home with multiple successful online business. I specialize creating automated system funnels for the network marketing industry. I am on a mission to organize and professionalize but very powerful industry which works on a very beautiful concept. But unfortunately, majority of the people pursue it in a very wrong way, originally from West Bengal. I pursued my dream of becoming a lecturer in Kolkata, but eventually worked as a teacher English medium high school in Odisha. But 3 years ago, I lost my interest, so I shifted my focus to my true passion, which is online business. Today, I'm into online business consultancy, affiliate marketing, digital coaching, and building Modicare group company business. 100% Automation is a vertically integrated India-based company that produces product based on aloe vera, noni juice, amla, and different supplementary foods are there. Hygienic products are there for the household, agriculture products, then urban color, everything is there. And I am so passionate about this product and I promote them online so that others can also experience the health benefits while money making online. I strongly believe that making consistent multiple income source is the way more sustainable and safer becoming the top achiever of any company. Through my unique business model, I help people make money 100% online without disturbing their current profession. My channel is all about sharing valuable insights, online business mindset, business growing online, make money opportunities, make money mindset online, business tools, business productivity, and also Modicare business. I am 100% focused on delivering world-class content on my channel, world-class value to my audience, which is my extended family. So if you want to learn how to grow your online business and achieve financial freedom, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this channel. Thank you.